Hey guys, what's up? I'm Sriniket and welcome back to the channel. So this is the fourth episode of the Auto Update series, which is regarding the upcoming bikes and cars which will be launched in the Indian market in the coming days. Now, before starting the video, let me tell you that we are very close to hitting 4,000 subscribers on this channel. So it would be highly appreciated if you guys go down there and subscribe to the channel right away. Let's get started. Latest news is from TVS, as recently Mr. K.N. Radhakrishnan, the president and CEO of TVS Motor Company, has officially announced that a brand new product under the brand name of TVS, based on the TVS BMW 300cc platform, will be launched in the Indian market by 2021. And at the same time, Sundaram and Clayton has applied for a trademark request which was recently accepted for the name Ronin, which means that a brand new 300cc motorcycle is on its way from TVS. Sundaram Clayton being the subsidiary of TVS Motor Company. This is a great news for the TVS fanboys out there, as a lot of them have been eagerly waiting for the launch of a few concept bikes showcased by TVS in several auto expos since years. Even though the official name and the launch date of the bike has been confirmed by TVS themselves, we still don't have clarity about what kind of bike it will actually be. Although it is now officially confirmed that this bike will be powered by the same reverse incline 312cc engine which underpins the 300cc BMWs and of course the Apache RR310. A lot of guys are speculating that this upcoming bike could be a naked version of the RR310 or even a TVS branded G310 GS, but I think that this won't be possible, as TVS and BMW have entered a strategic alliance, which means that they simply can't launch the exact same bikes and pit them against each other, which will create inter-sibling rivalry and destroy the market of both of these branded bikes. That's the only reason why we still haven't seen a naked version of the RR310 or a fully fed version of the G310R. So a naked RR310 or a TVS branded G310 GS simply won't be possible. The second and the most welcoming possibility of this new bike will definitely be the launch of the Zeppelin concept based on the 300cc platform. Now I'm sure that most of the guys who are watching this video right now definitely know what the Zeppelin actually is. It's the retro classic cruiser concept motorcycle showcased by TVS at the 2018 Auto Expo. It was a really attractive motorcycle with retro classic design elements and classic cruiser-like dimensions as well as ergonomics. It was powered by a 220cc engine, basically the bumped up version of the Apache 200's power plant. So if TVS decides to launch the new bike and the design is based on the Zeppelin concept, it will be a massive success in the Indian market, as a lot of guys have been eagerly waiting for the launch of the Zeppelin irrespective of the displacement of the bike, and it will provide a big threat to a lot of the other retro classic themed motorcycle brands. And again, the icing on the cake will be the 300cc platform which this Zeppelin will be based on, or the new Ronin will be based on, and TVS will very effectively be able to launch a new cruiser line of motorcycles based under the Ronin brand name. But then there's one more possibility, which is the launch of a retro-themed naked Street Fighter motorcycle, basically the naked version of the Apache RR310. This way, TVS would be effectively able to distinguish its naked motorcycle from the BMW G310R, basically avoiding the inter-sibling rivalry between these two bikes, and at the same time distinguish its bike from other bikes in the competition in the same segment, while also entering a segment which is not that overcrowded right now, which is the 300cc retro Street Fighter segment, which currently holds only one bike in the Indian market as of now, which is the Honda CB300R. This way, TVS would be effectively able to distinguish its new 300cc bike as well as establish the new Ronin brand name very effectively in the Indian market. So that's pretty much it. That was a quick update regarding the upcoming TVS motorcycle from my side. What are your thoughts regarding the upcoming TVS motorcycle based on the TVS BMW platform? Let me know in the comments down below. And again, I would highly appreciate if you guys go down there and subscribe to my channel and help me hit 4,000 subscribers as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.